The Amelia cabin is a 22 square meters garden office with 2 separate rooms and an interlinking door. This configuration is ideal if you need a combination of home office and garden living room, garden hobby room and a place for kids to play or any other combination. The Amelia is an affordable log cabin and efficient way to create extra living space and add value to your home. This cabin features high-quality doors and windows with European-made hardware, 3-metre-wide folding doors that can be folded open during warm summer days to flood the cabin with sunlight on one side and double doors on the other. All wooden parts are made from carefully selected Nordic spruce. Expected assembly time for an experienced DIY enthusiast is 6 or 7 days, while our assembly team can get the job done within 2 to 3 days. For your peace of mind, this cabin has a 5-year factory guarantee.